Most important, phrasal verbs, part 2.
Catch up. Catch up means to bring oneself up to date with a current subject, person, or situation. For examples, I need to catch up on the latest news. Let's meet for coffee so we can catch up.
Get along.
Get along means to have a harmonious or friendly relationship with someone. For examples, fortunately, my siblings and I get along very well. I don't really get along with my new coworker.
Bring up.
Bring up means to introduce a topic into conversation. For examples, she brought up the issue of increasing rent during our meeting. I don't want to bring up old conflicts again.
Run into.
Run into means to meet someone unexpectedly. For examples, guess who I ran into at the grocery store? Our old neighbor. For another examples, I ran into some problems while working on the project.
Turn down.
Turn down means to refuse or reject something. For examples, he turned down the job offer because the salary was too low. They turned down my request for a refund.
Look forward to.
Look forward to means to anticipate or be excited about something in the future. For examples, I'm really looking forward to our vacation next month. She's looking forward to starting her new job.
Put up with.
Put up with means to tolerate or endure something unpleasant. Examples, I can't put up with his constant complaining anymore. She put up with the noisy neighbors for months before finally moving out.
Break down.
Break down means to stop functioning or fail. Examples, my car broke down on the way to work. The negotiations broke down due to disagreements. Set up. Set up means to establish or arrange something. For examples, they set up a meeting to discuss the project. I'm going to set up a new computer system for the office. Take off. Take off means to become successful or popular quickly. For examples, the new fashion line really took off this season. After the first few episodes, the TV show really started to take off. Turn up. Turn up means to appear or arrive unexpectedly or suddenly. Examples, I didn't expect him to turn up at the party. The missing keys turned up in the last place I looked. Go over. Go over means to review or examine something. For examples, let's go over the details of the plan one more time. The teacher went over the homework assignment in class. Call off. Call off means to cancel something. For examples, due to bad weather, they had to call off the outdoor event. They called off the meeting because most of the attendees were unavailable. Come across. Come across means to find or encounter something unexpectedly. For examples, while cleaning the attic, I came across some old photographs. She came across a fascinating article while browsing the internet. Take after.
Take after means to resemble or be similar to someone, especially a family member. For examples, she really takes after her mother, both in looks and personality. He takes after his grandfather in his love for gardening.
Hold on. Hold on means to wait or pause for a short time. For examples, can you hold on for a moment? I'll be right back. Hold on. I need to grab my coat before we leave.